Good morning, students. I hope you had a good spring break, and I'm hoping you are staying well and safe during this extended school closure. I'm doing a video today to start talking about what we're doing for April or the rest of April. So, if you were to pull up Google Classroom, you would see the extended school closure, right? And this is what we did from the end of March to the first part of April before spring break. And I just wanted to go over and say that you can still turn in any of this work if you want to. If you haven't, um, I am going to count this work as bonus points. So it's all bonus points back. Um, it's not, basically it's free points. It does not count against you. That's what you need to know. Uh, there were some packets assigned for 2 weeks, and then the third week we asked you to journal. And that was the Dear Diary project, and I broke up those journal entries into singular question responses on Google Classroom. And so that assignment will be kind of your carryover into what we're going to do for April. So I'm going to go to this assignment that says Dear Diary Final Project. And what I would like you to do, and remember, this is all bonus points, and you have a copy of this. I made a copy for you. Of course, change your name on it. The instructions for it are here, right? The same thing I posted in March. You can read them again if you want to, right? Here's vocabulary that if you did not incorporate the first time, you may incorporate now, because I want you to edit and look at. And of course, if you did them on paper, you can do this on paper as well. It is not a requirement to use Google Slides. So basically, I want you to go through. If you did this digitally, it's going to be a lot easier. You can copy and paste. I want you to look at the journal questions. I want you to write it in a Dear Diary format, and I want you to go back and incorporate these words in there if you did not already. So you're getting a chance to edit, reflect, and use your English language arts skills to show how you can apply social studies in your writing. Okay. So I would like you to do that, and that will be bonus points. So for each entry, I'm going to give you a bonus points. The more entries you do, the more bonus points you collect. If you do the Dear Diary sort of final project example where it's all accumulated and put into a nice, neat package, you will then receive more bonus points for that as well. Okay. I'm just trying to keep you engaged and creating and applying social studies to everyday activities and thoughts that you're doing in school and in real life. So that's the purpose for that. All right. So let's go back to April. All right. So there were two other things that I assigned before spring break. They are not hard. They are videos for you to watch and take notes on. Some people did. One is called Info for Canada. It is about how powerful Canada is as a world power, say, compared to the United States. So that will give you some sort of the political climate of Canada. Please watch that. The Geography of Canada. It's an older video, basic school video that goes through the fundamental geography of Canada. I'd like for you to take notes on that too. All right, so that brings us to the choice board. Okay, so we're going to pull up the choice board, look at the choice board. So you have to do an assignment a week. Okay, so you have an acrostic poem for Australia. I hope I'm pronouncing that word right. It's where you take the word and then you think of something that begins with the same letter and, explain it. So Aborigines. Aborigines are the indigenous people of Australia. Australia is known as Down Under. So that's one. There's a raft for Australia too. And we will be posting videos about Australia and giving you more info and things like that. There will be resources, so don't worry. And then Another one is sitting with a parent and doing the census, and another one is watching CNN, which that's available for all 3 weeks. Is to watch CNN 10 and then write some responses on it. Okay. I'm not going to read the directions to you; they're available to read. But this is for the entire rest of April. The second week is going to have some stuff on Canada. You can do another poem like you did for Australia. You can create Quizlets or Kahoots. This one's an interview, right? Some interview skills under the CNN 10. The last week is going to create a children's book of the ABCs of social studies, create a TikTok video, and needs, wants. So this one's going to have to do with personal finance. And then, of course, CNN 10 again. So for right now, I hope that is an update of the past month. I'm just trying to be brief and give you an idea of what we're doing, how I'm grading this stuff, what I expect. Please email me. Please, try to contact me on Google Classroom. Parents, contact me on Remind. Whatever you need to do, I should be able to get it, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Stay safe, wash your hands, practice social distancing. There will be more videos to come. Thanks. Have a good one.